Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Matt and welcome to my latest tech unboxing. Today we got Anker's newest EverFrost powered cooler. This is the 43 liter version. Anker also sells this in 33 liters and 53 liters. Now let's run through its main features. So one of the main selling points is that it's a portable fridge, so no ice needed means no wasted space. Next we got its 299 watt hour battery that's detachable. It's got an extremely portable design and you can use a smart app to control it. The cooler allows for solar charging as well. EverFrost goes from 77 degrees to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 30 minutes. You also get dual zone temperature with the 53 liter variant. And it cools up to 42 hours at 39 degrees Fahrenheit with the 33 liter variant. In terms of extended cooling time, the 299 watt hour battery allows for 42 hours on the 33 liter, 35.8 hours on the 43 liter, and 27 hours on the 53 liter. Alright, now why don't we check out this cooler? Wow, okay, so first impressions, this thing is massive. I got the 43 liter, maybe I should have went with the 33 liter. But in terms of mobility, I think this is pretty damn good. What's cool that they did is they added this tray over here that you can also use to move the thing as well. It can also be used as a small cutting board or a table. Okay, now let's see how heavy this thing is. Yeah, so it's heavy, but definitely manageable. You won't want to be carrying this with all the stuff inside of it though. I can see that Anker really thought about the user experience when designing this. They included a nice bottle opener right on the side. But not only that, they also added this table which is really convenient. The only thing missing from this thing though is an integrated ice maker. When I first saw this on Kickstarter though, and with all of its cool features, I knew I just had to get it. It was not only after the funding was over that I saw other powered coolers with an integrated ice maker. Although those weren't from companies I was familiar with, and they don't have this convenient table and bottle opener. But as you guys can see here, it's easy to prop up this table and put it away. Now let's take a look inside the cooler. So when you first open it up, you're going to see the user manual inside, as well as the included basket. The basket is a nice idea in case you want to take all the contents inside the cooler out of the cooler without moving the cooler. Hey you, hit that sub button. And here's a little drain hole. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the detachable battery. Whoops. In terms of ports, you get 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C port, and also the power connecting port. Let's see, what else? On the side here, you get 2 things that latch onto the inside of the cooler, and on the back is the connection leading to the cooler. Anker also included a nice little handle right here, so you can bring this to any of your devices to charge. And by the way, the battery is not waterproof. Next, let's open up the included cables. You get 3 included in the box. Now let's see what we're working with. So the first thing we got is the power brick. It's a 95 watt charger to be exact. Next up, we got the car charger. This is also a 95 watt charger. And finally, we got what looks like an adapter and the power brick cable. Let's take a look at the different ways you can charge the cooler. Option 1, the wall outlet. Option 2, the wall outlet with the adapter. The adapter is used so you can plug the wall outlet into the battery. Option 3, the car socket. Again, this is also 95 watts of charging. Next, you can use the adapter with the car socket so you can use it for the battery. Remember, you can also use solar power to charge it and a USB-C charger that has 60 watts of charging. Just out of curiosity, I wanted to see if it could handle my weight. I weigh about 152 pounds. Wouldn't it be crazy if it just collapsed on me? It's pretty strong. Very durable, I think. Let's remove this plastic and turn this bad boy on. So it's got 4 main buttons, the power button, up and down arrows, and a settings button. EverFrost goes from a temperature range as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Right below the temperature there, you can see the battery percentage. And beside that is the voltage protection. Now let's connect it to the app. If you hold down the settings button for a couple seconds, you can turn on the Bluetooth pairing. Once everything's installed and you got Bluetooth pairing, it should pop up right on the app. Here you can name your device a separate name if you want. I'm going to change mine to Anker Cooler. And here we go. You can set the temperature on this side. Here's the battery percentage, battery output, and battery input. You can set the temperature using the fader right here. Whoops, okay, let's go back. And on the bottom here, you get some preset temperatures. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to -4 to see how long it takes to cool down the temperature. The time right now is about 1:36 and we started about 5 minutes ago. Once you hop into settings, you can see your screen brightness settings and the voltage protection settings. I'll just keep this at the default. You can also change your device name, set the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, check the firmware update, and provide feedback. And I think that's it for this page. Let's go back. Over here's the main page. You could add more devices to your app. And on the bottom here, you can see your profile tab. Here you can change the settings for the app. Alright, it's been an hour and 7 minutes or so, and it's at -3 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature should reach -4 at any moment now. Let's wait. And there it is. So the total time it went from 70 degrees to -4 was an hour and 8 minutes. Plus the battery went from 58% to 42%. The time it took isn't that bad. And now for the final test. Oh yeah, that's -4 degrees alright. Oh wow, I never noticed this LED on the inside. That's pretty cool. It'll definitely come in handy if you're going out at night. But there you guys go. I can't wait to use this thing. Will any of you guys be getting one? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that noti bell to know when I upload. And make sure to click on one of these.